which part with them? Navino behind the scene. Video shot. Hot. Step. Look out for it, you know. It hot. Make them know. Can't tame records. Hot. Step in. Hot.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, don't know this is Delilah Russian,
Naya Russian,
Barado Russian, and a Chrissy Russian representing for Team Russian, aka Russian Roulette. This one big up, live2partyja.com, is it me?
And for both the Russians, they know at 386-0314, 385-3392.
Straight.
I'm so nervous.
any party we have where you want shellings, just link us. We deal with it for you.
Team Russian, shell it down completely.
Lift the party
If you don't want to see my brother out and go and bad, and just come.
Big up Lift the party.
Big up Lift the party, Jay.
Big up Navino.
Stunts.
And give them a demo.
Up.
Give them a demo. Give them a demo.
Madaras.
Show them a demo. Exam. Show them a demo.
I
brought out something. Come on, somebody do something.
The something
Wrong way. Show the camera. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know see a commercial represent Team Russian and big up live2partyja.com. We there pan Navino video shoot and baiting.
Live2partyja.com. Deluxe I represent from Can Team Studio. So may I deal with. And Navino video shoot, you know, behind the scene. Don't know, check it out. Up and running. Live2partyja. Boom.
Bravo.
Hey, them finna say oh a diamond, you know. We say oh Can Team. What me say? Nah run enough fame. And we say oh Live for Party. ja.com. Sick. So we say oh and Navino we say now. We say straight up. What me say? Can Team. Straight up.
You know it's a girl next serious. I mean, I'm never vexed, but I'm serious. I'm a represent for Navino and Can Team Records. Remember to check out live2partyja.com people. And when they're behind the scenes and Navino video shoot, look out for it, it's a job suit, it's a shot.
Give me a smile, what you want to do? Give me a smile. Me, straight. I am buffer zone, me? Straight.
Fide pour moi.
Buffer zone. So you can go squeeze up on them something. We are going one for yourself. What you say again? Bufferzone.com.
Yeah, I'm saying them famous Navino representative fullest, you know. I'm going to say live2partyja.com. I'm not saying the 6 and I can't deal with it. I'm going to say a video shoot sitting there.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Live to party, but na batty boy where you pierce tongue. And now one where you have another one a lay down that can't go on around away. Bless up mad, Live to Party J.A. Jai Jensen.
Whoa. General. Murderer. Yo, we artist there. You mean that? Whoa, Vena! DJ! Be a chill, my chill, and be a girl out of Whoa! DJ!
Yo! Me there boy say before this song, you know, chilling time, see no rush and send me, you know. Yeah, man.
DJ, right now, be a girl around the garage in the youth. Yeah! I there start chilling time. Like serious DJ.
I see your next word, man.
Oh, Nando. Hey, baby, come up with step.
One thing, man. I'm so lucky to do it again.
Do it again.
I'm so lucky to do it again.
I feel like that email did say a shot. I hold we are do back one time now. Alright, I'm ready. I got the one. I think you flash shot back. I see it. Ready.
Stop. Watch it now.
Look at the child. No stare. You should have one shot from here, sir. Yeah, take time with the body, yeah?
You want me to drive?
No, you don't have to touch that bag, man.
Oi, can I just... Yo, you can't go in the water. You can't go in the water. Look round. Fast.
Good one. All of them, yeah, pose up
Bad
and
man.
everything.
Yo, they get a bad.
Zoom man, zoom.
You are a road one, you know. Like it still. Yo.
Yeah.
JA.com.
Big up, lift the party, JA.com.
Look on the camera, baby.
Delilah Russian say that. Big up the Russian team, let's eat.
Road.
Russian.
Last man. Blood clot.
Combo clock, man. Nak kok tinggal dalam nama aku.
See you, you see you.
Ready now? We'll just wine and go spawn and ready? Hey! DJ.